Welcome to telaHosting. How to add Mailchimp or SendGrid SPF and DKIM records in DirectAdmin. If you use email marketing platforms like Mailchimp or SendGrid, setting up SPF and DKIM records is essential. These records authenticate your emails, improve deliverability, and prevent your messages from being flagged as spam. We've previously gone through what SPF and DKIM records are, but in this video, we're going to go through how to add Mailchimp and SendGrid SPF records in DirectAdmin. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your DirectAdmin control panel, and in the Accounts Manager section, open DNS Management. This is where you will add the SPF and DKIM entries for Mailchimp or SendGrid. Mailchimp gives you two main DNS items, one SPF record and two DKIM CNAME records. To add SPF, in DNS Management, click Add Record and choose TXT record. Leave the name field blank if DirectAdmin automatically fills it, or type in your domain. Now for the value, copy the value provided by Mailchimp, usually something like this, and click Save. If you already had an SPF record, do not create a second one. Merge the new include statements into the existing records to avoid conflicts. For example, a combined record would look like this. After configuring SPF, proceed to add your DKIM records. Mailchimp gives you two CNAME DKIM records. They usually look like this. Click Add Record. Choose CNAME and paste it exactly as provided by Mailchimp and save. Repeat for the second one and allow some time for DNS propagation. After propagation, return to your Mailchimp and verify your domain authentication. Now let's move over to add SendGrid SPF and DKIM. SendGrid uses 3 DNS records, one SPF TXT record and then 2 DKIM CNAME records. To add it, in your DNS management, click on Add Record, choose TXT record and impute the TXT record provided by SendGrid. If you already have an SPF record, remember to combine them. Also add the 2 CNAME DKIM records provided by SendGrid. They look like this. Click Add Record and select CNAME. Paste the name and value exactly as provided. Save and then report the second record. Once added, go back to SendGrid and click Verify. DNS changes take a bit of time to update globally. Now, before you leave, confirm that SPF record exists and contain the required include, and that the DKIM CNAME records are added correctly. Make sure there are no duplicate SPF records and no spaces or extra dots were added accidentally. This ensures smooth email delivery with Mailchimp or SendGrid. With these records added, your emails get better inbox placement, you avoid spam filters, your domains become trusted, and your marketing and transactional emails perform better. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need stellar hosting services. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications for more tutorials with telaHosting. See you in the next video.